We are now going to talk about when we use the present simple. The first use is for repeated actions or habits. I eat yogurt and granola for breakfast. And this is true. Every morning I go to my kitchen and I put yogurt in a bowl and I pour granola on top. Okay, so this is a habit that I have. And so when I describe that habit, I should use the present simple. I eat yogurt and granola for breakfast. I go to bed at 10 p.m. So usually I go to bed at 10 p.m. That is my habit. My family has dinner together on Sundays. This is something we do each Sunday. It is a repeated action or a habit. Use number 2 is for facts or generalizations. Russia is the largest country in the world. That's a fact. Lionel Messi is good at football. That is another fact. My neighbor has many cats. That's a fact. It is important to get enough sleep. That's a fact, or maybe a generalization, something that is generally true. Use number 3 is for scheduled events in the near future. So we can use the present simple to talk about scheduled events in the future. My train leaves tomorrow at 9 a.m. The next Olympic Games are in 2028. The party starts tomorrow at 6 p.m.